Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Diana here, and today I am out in the yard once again working on my food forest. Today we got honeyberries. Yes, we have honeyberries today, you guys. I am going to be planting these right here. This is my flower bed, but these like kind of partial shade, so this area here doesn't get as much sunlight, but it gets sunlight over here. So we're going to go ahead and plant these. Now with honeyberries, you're going to need two different species, I guess you would say, or cultivars. Here I have blue moose and I have a blue banana. Okay, these grow in hardiness zones 2 through 8. They are also high in antioxidants, more than a blueberry. They are also a little on the tart side. So they say if you let them stay on these bushes longer, the longer you let them stay or let them drop to the ground, they will get sweeter. So let's go ahead and get these suckers planted. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and plant them right here. These berries need to be within 50 feet of each other in order to pollinate. So, but mine are going to be way closer than 50 feet, so shouldn't have to worry about that. So first one going right here. Okay, so right here I have got the native soil and I've got a little compost down in here, and we're going to mix this on up. We got a little plant food right here we're going to be giving them, and we're also going to give them some fish fertilizer once we are done. Okay, so I am going to fill this hole about halfway with the mixture. We're going to get our plant food here. Mix this down in here. Put a little more. Alright, so we got our plant food down in here, and we are going to, let's plant the Blue Moose 1. And this plant is a 1.5 years old. As you guys can see, it's already producing fruit. There it is. As small as this little bush is. And this is going to be a bush, it's not a tree. And it's supposed to spread about 5 feet wide and 5 feet tall. Okay, so we're going to plant her right here. Let's spread these roots out. Let me give her a little fish fertilizer here to try to loosen her up a little bit, because it definitely looks root bound to me. But spread these roots out here. Because we want her to spread. We don't want her to wrap around. Alright. Put a little more soil in here. Woo. It's a rock. Okay, I think that's good. Put a little more food right here for her. And now, let's backfill. I love finding different things to plant. I mean, I've never heard of a honeyberry myself, so I haven't got to taste it yet either, and I'm super excited. It's already bearing fruit, so it's like little berries, and they're also blue, and they kind of look like a blueberry. Give her some more fertilizer. Let that soak in. Okay, you guys, so we have finished planting honeyberries. It was that simple. Give them a little fish fertilizer. I might come back in and put a little mulch around here, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, and make sure to hit that notification bell. Until next time, I'll be seeing you guys.